YouTube has added a new feature where you can add details for the category Education. Let me show you. I have a new video to post. It's about the Cisco cybersecurity course that will be in the category Education. Let's get to that part. Here he is. If you have another category like Auto and Vehicles, there's no options. If you choose Music, no options. Entertainment, no options. But when you choose Education, you now have a few more options to add details for this category. Let's view all these options, but before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So now you have the category Education and you have 4 new fields: Type, Academic System, Level, and an extra one with more information. The first one, the type, we can read: Educational type helps learners with specific needs find your video. For example, if your video explains a topic or concept, select Concept Overview. If it shows how to solve a problem, select Problem Walkthrough. And the options for this field is Edutainment, Concept Overview, Problem Walkthrough, Real Life Example, Activity, Experiment, Simulation, and Other. The second field is Academic System. Let's read. Academic System. Choose an academic system to further specify the academic level, grade, and exam, course, or standard that your video aligns to. And the options for this field are different countries like Australia, Bangladesh, Canada, England, India, Ireland, Northern Ireland, Pakistan, Philippines, Scotland, United States, Wales, and other. So you choose a country in this field. The third field is Level. We can read Educational Level. Choose the level of your video to help learners find content aligned with their level of expertise. And the options we can see are Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced. But if you choose another academic system, like United States, you can have more options in the level field, like this. The first ones, Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced, but now also you can choose High School, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade, College, Graduate School, Research, Career, or Technical. And if you choose another academic system, like let's see Canada, and we go to Level, Education Level, you have slightly different options. The Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced is also there, but now you also can choose Upper Secondary, Grade 10, Grade 11, Grade 12, University, Research, Career, or Technical, so very similar. Let's choose United States for the academic system, and here in the fourth field you can see Exam, Course, or Standard, and we can read: if your content relates to an exam, course, or academic standard, search our database to add details. If you can't find the right value, choose None. If several values could apply to your videos, pick the best one. So, you have some examples. We can write AP, SAT, NGSS, CC, ACT, or IB, because we are in the academic system for the United States. If you choose another academic system, like Canada, it will show different examples, like AP, IB, CBSE, JEE. If you choose like India, you have another ones, like NEET, JEE, that I don't know what this is. So let's choose United States, because everyone knows what SAT is. And if you start to type something like SAT, will give you a few more options, like SAT, SAT Math, Writing, Critical Reading. If you write course, you'll have more options like AP statistics, geography, chemistry, physics, biology, and more options. If you write science, we'll give you options about every type of science exam, or if you type math, we'll give you the types of exams available about math. And all these types of exams or courses are related to the academic system you chose above. And these are the details and options for the new feature for the category Education for videos on YouTube. And now, because I have a real video to post for the category Education, let's fill this. So my video is about the course Cisco Cybersecurity. So the type will be problem walkthrough, because in this video I will show you how to solve the packet tracer exercises. So problem walkthrough. Academic system, we can choose United States. Level, in here we can choose career or technical, but because this is directed to a higher level education, we'll choose college. And in the final field, and because these exercises are related to the CCNA from Cisco, I will write CCNA. And now all the fields for the category Education are filled. And now I can post the video with the detailed information about this category. I hope you like this video and this new feature will be helpful. So subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button, and if you have any question, write in the comments because I read and answer to every comment.